We bought our first blue box over 10 years ago, and we've been using Autologic ever since. I'm Edward Huang. We're here at M-SPEC Performance Lindenhurst. We do have 2 other locations, M-SPEC Middle Village and Essential Auto Care. We are BMW specialists. We do work on all European makes and models, and we also work on domestics and Asian imports. I used to think that I didn't need help, but as you grow in the industry, you just realize that, you can't do it by yourself. It's impossible. As a technician, a lot of times we're working on more than one vehicle at the same time. So if I have an issue with the vehicle, I can put a claim in and then move on to my next car and work on that while I'm waiting for a call back. We have a pretty large staff, so I'd say that we are able to request support multiple times a day. Support to me is all-encompassing. Autologic does help with training, which is huge in our industry, on top of being able to diagnose, code, and having dealer-level abilities in a non-dealer tool. A repair shop definitely needs technical support. We in our industry like to think that we know everything, but with the pace at which our industry is evolving, you can't know everything. It's impossible, and having that technical support there really allows you to confidently go into any job.